Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell. 10 November 2021. I'm out here working, waiting on the Crew-3 Dragon space capsule. It's going to be taking 4 people to the International Space Station. 3 Americans and 1 European space astronaut are going up there. And we're getting ready for a liftoff here. It's instant liftoff. And it should be fired up here any minute now. Like I said, this is 10 November 2021. SpaceX Crew-3 Falcon 9 rocket with a Dragon space capsule. There she goes, folks. Lighting up the sky. What a beautiful sight. See her across the water. She's going up. Look like we get some cloud coverage there. We're not going to get much of a view, but we'll get this one anyway. What a beautiful sight. And there she goes in the clouds. You see the pad still on fire. This camera doesn't do any justice. It's lighting up the whole area. Here comes the rumble, folks. Like I said, not much of a show, but you can still feel the rumble, brother. That's the pad out there in the distance. That dot on the screen right now is the pad, pad 39A. You see Space Shuttle, Apollo, and everything else. Still lit up. And I had a little fire out there. That's about all she wrote, folks. Well, God bless America, and God bless you all. This is Mitch Bromwell in Cocoa, Florida, United States of America. Have a great day, and God bless.